Hello techies! Magandang buhay! Welcome to another episode of Movie Talks, your ultimate spot for the latest, trendy, and affordable smartphone. It's me again, Jonna, your host today. For today's episode, we will be featuring the revolutionary flagship camera king of 2024, the master of low-light photography, and the first in Vivo's V series to collaborate with Zeiss, the Vivo V30 Pro. Today ay sasamahan tayo ni Sir Jay para isa-isahin kung ano-ano nga ba ang features ng Vivo V30 Pro.
Hi, Katekis and Vivo fam. First of all, thank you for inviting us, Jonah. So today we are going to share our newest flagship smartphone, the Vivo V30 Pro 5G.
Narinig ko po sir na ang Vivo V30 Pro ay maraming cameras and it features the brand Zeiss. Para po sa mga techies natin na curious sa lenses ng phone na to and first time lang marinig yung word na Zeiss, ano nga po ba ito?
So the Vivo V30 Pro 5G is co-engineered with Zeiss. So fun fact lang, Jonah. So yung Zeiss is a German company that produces high-quality camera lenses. So for example, if you're familiar with the trilogy series, Lord of the Rings, so it was made with Zeiss lenses. So with this partnership with Zeiss, we made sure to bring those quality camera lenses into a pocket-sized smartphone, which is the Vivo V30 Pro 5G.
Sobrang high quality naman pala ng lenses ng Vivo V30 Pro. No wonder na ready itong phone na to for everyday photographer. At para malaman natin talaga ang capabilities ng phone na ito, let's do the camera review. O, diba? I told you, techies, lakas makaganda at maka-fresh ng phone na to. Perfect pang picture sa mga gala natin. So, syempre, hindi lang naman capable ang Vivo V30 Pro sa camera. Kaya, try naman natin yung sinasabi nilang ultra-large smart cooling system para naman sa ating mga gamer techies out there.
So what is ultra-large cooling system ng Vivo V30 Pro 5G? So it helps to maintain the optimal performance po during intensive tasks. This results in smoother gaming experiences and more reliable multitasking.
And also, aside sa pagiging camera at gaming phone ng Vivo V30 Pro, ano-ano ba nga ba sir yung specs ng smartphone na to at bakit sa tingin nyo worth it yung price sa performance ng Vivo V30 Pro?
So you can get the Vivo V30 Pro 5G for just 34,999 pesos. So it features a 7.45mm curved screen as thin as 320 pesos coin and 1.5K AMOLED display, 2,800 nits local peak brightness, and 120Hz refresh rate. So this is also powered by the Dimensity 8200 processor and a total of 24 gig of RAM or memory, and then 512 gig of storage. And then you can enjoy the long-lasting usage with a 5,000 mAh battery and 80 watts of fast charging. So it is also built with an IP54 rating, offering dust and water resistance.
Grabe sir, no? Super na-amaze ako sa camera performance ng Vivo V30 Pro. And I can say that Vivo V30 Pro is a great camera smartphone. lahat ng hinahanap mong features for portrait, nandito na talaga lahat. So there you have it, techies. Deserve ang title of Flagship Camera King of 2024, ang Vivo V30 Pro. And for those who love taking photos na ayaw naman mabutas ang kanilang bulsa, well, the Vivo V30 Pro is the way to go for all your photography needs in a smaller package. So, thank you so much, Sir Jay, for joining us today here at Mobitox po, and sa mga techies natin na kanina pa nanonood.
So the Vivo V30 Pro is now available at the nearest Vivo concept stores and ones on Mobitech nationwide. Kaya ano pang hinihintay nyo? Punta na mga ka-techies!
And also, don't forget to follow our social media pages for more Mobitox updates.
See you in the next episode.